Today we're here to celebrate the 2018 award recipient, Richard Bazzi Shults Ford. They won the President's Award, one of just 10% of dealers across the country that won this prestigious award.
The President's Award is the epitome of what Ford hands out to less than 10% of the dealerships in Ford Motor Company.
So this particular dealership, Shults Ford, should be recognized for many different reasons. 2018, this was the #1 Ford dealership in the state of Pennsylvania. They finished #1 in Pittsburgh market, #4 for the entire region, and #151 for the entire country. That puts them in the top 5% of Ford dealers in America.
Oh, well, I'm here to honor Richard Bazzi and celebrate his 6th President's Award from Ford, and it's an honor to be associated with Richard, and it's great to see him get this well-deserved award. Richard is one of the most energetic, effervescent, excited, enthusiastic people I've ever met in my entire life.
We're here celebrating Richard Bazzi and his Shults Ford team. Unbelievable what they've done for customer service and car sales. It's the President's Award. I mean, when I heard the numbers, I mean, being in the top 10% of 3,100 dealerships in America, Richard said it best during his speech, that it's about the people. And it's not the four walls, it's not the table, it's not even the cars. It's the people. It's the people that come in that buy cars. It's the people that work here at Shults Ford. So we're celebrating Richard Bazzi's Shults Ford and winning their 6th President's Award, which is just unbelievable.